What is up, internet? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make one of these YouTube subscribe animations. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is click the link in the description to download this folder. Once you unzip it, you're going to see these two files. Open this. Once you're in Final Cut Pro, be sure that you have the project selected, and then you're going to double click under where it says Projects 1. So you're going to see a few files here. I forgot to mention something. If you go into your settings, I have under playback, player background checkerboard. Now, usually by default, it comes as black. So don't be worried if your background doesn't look like this. That's completely fine. It'll still export the regular way that it needs to. But if you want the checkerboard background, that's how you do it. I have the light mode already selected because I assume that's what most people are going to want to use. But if you want another version, just simply press V on the keyboard to hide it, and then highlight one of the other ones, like for example, dark mode here. Now it's a black background with white text. So we also have a gray version here. But we're going to re-enable this light mode one, and now I'm going to show you how to input your information. So double click on light mode and you're going to see a bunch of files in here. The only ones you have to worry about is where your name is going and your profile picture. So don't touch anything else. If you want to experiment and try to do your own kind of animation or whatever, feel free. But if you just want a simple subscribe animation, this is how you're going to do it. So I'm going to make one for my main vlogging channel. So this is a perfect example of how to do it. I'm going to change this to Kevin Gannett's. I'm going to change the size of the text, and then you're free to change the font to whatever you like. I'm going to go to Monster Rat, and then I always call it Monster Rat. It's Monster Rat, but Monster Rat is good. we're gonna go to, I think regular. Yeah, regular looks nice. Okay, so we're gonna size it appropriately. And then this is optional. You can press V to hide that. And then you could, for example, center the text with the profile picture. If you want something like that, something simple. I like having the text on the bottom. So I'm going to put subscribe for more vlogs because my main channel is a vlogging channel. We're going to go back to Monster Rat, and then we're going to go to regular, and then I'm just going to make this kind of match up with the size of, well, the length of the Kevin Gannett's text, and I'm going to lower it just a bit, give it some breathing room. And then I might actually raise this as well. Okay, so that's done. The next thing we need to do is get the profile picture of your channel. So what I found is the best thing to do is to go into Safari, open up a private window. I did that by pressing Command-Shift-N, and then type in the name of your YouTube channel. Once you're on your YouTube channel, go to your profile picture, right click, and press Save Image to Downloads. Then you're gonna go back into Final Cut Pro. Now, this one is like a full-size image. This one is basically like what I just did, going to the channel and right-clicking the profile picture. So now I'm gonna drag this here, and we're gonna resize it so that it fits nicely with all the other ones. You could either delete this. I'm just going to press V on it for now. Then you're going to go to this bottom one. You're going to press Command C, and then you're going to go to your profile picture that you just downloaded. You're going to press Command Option V, and that should instantly size it to the correct size. If it doesn't do that, if for example you still have a square, or if it's too small, all you're going to want to do is just go to this radius and go to exactly where it turns into a perfect circle, and then you're good to go. Let's zoom out here again. Okay, so basically that's it. Your graphic is finished. So now we're gonna have to animate it up and down. If this video is being helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So what you're gonna wanna do is select it, go to your transitions and search for slide. You're gonna drag slide right onto it, and then you're gonna select this left piece and you're gonna put slide in and then up. Then you're gonna go to this end piece, you're gonna press slide out and then press down. So now it animates. The last step to do is to go and export it, but you're gonna have to export in Apple ProRes 4444. Reason being is because this is a transparent video file. If you export it another way, it's gonna give you a black background, and that's not what you want. So to keep this transparent background, you're gonna wanna go to Export, Settings, and Apple ProRes 4444. KG, subscribe. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to apply it to a video. You're gonna simply drag and drop it on top of your timeline, and you're gonna press play. Okay, now we're using my iPhone 14. I'm using my wife for iPhone battery. That's gonna be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.